Hey everybody, it's Sonia the RV DJ, and today we are at the Camping World RV Expo in Lakewood, New Jersey, and we're going to check out what kind of RVs they got. So let's go. This is a campsite reserve. Find out who makes it. Nice little hooks in the pass-through.
Look, Mom. What? They have an outside.
Oh, for real?
If you want to hang outside.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh, your brother would love that. I'm coming to see if that thing.
Outside griddle with refrigerator. Slides out. Outside speakers. This is a 2024 Forest River Campsite Reserve. 23cc. Rear entry. Tint shade on the window. Tint shade ready. Thin shade ready. Trash can storage right here. Oh, they have everything labeled. Trash can storage. Pet bowl storage. Shoe storage.
Yeah, but it's open.
Command center.
With hard switches.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Water filtration system. What is this? Glass cleaner thing? Oh yeah, yeah. Look. Put your glasses on here and it upside down, and water comes out and you clean your glasses. Look at that. That's fancy.
Fancy.
Big farm sink. Three burner cooktop with convection oven. Big window for the kitchen. Some more hooks up here. USB at the door. Solar. $26,995 show price. They got cubbies over here. Bluetooth radio. Look at the size of this television.
Yeah, I know.
U-shaped dinette. Didn't get to the bathroom yet. I'll hit that on the way out. More space by the dinette. USBs. Huge television. Fireplace.
Whoa.
Place for your remote. A press to open refrigerator door.
I tried. I can't get the door.
Oh, there you are, Dad.
That's an Enigma. This is freezer. Press to open is not pressing to open. Bedside inverter if you're boondocking. It's a Camp King bed. There's reading lights. Extra tall. Everything's labeled here. It's pretty funny. Your converter panels in here. 4-row shelving for extra bedroom storage with the little containers. Pocket door. And the bathroom's in the back, so you can get to it right from the door. If the slide's pulled in. This isn't too bad. Foot flush toilet. Big medicine cabinet. It's funny that everything has a label on it. Linen storage. Hi. It's a little windy outside. Level up shower head. The shower does have a curtain though. Furrion fan. Furrion's just getting into everything nowadays. This isn't horrible. What do you like about it?
Rear toilet. It's got a nice sink. I'm assuming, yes, that's an air fryer. So I'm assuming that's a convection microwave because it's got an
Air fryer and a convection microwave. It's got a lot of like little cubbies and shelving and
Yeah. Like I said, that they did halfway. You can get to the bathroom with the slide closed. I'm thinking that. Well, actually, the refrigerator is on the slide.
it is.
I don't know if I'm crazy about that. I mean, it's not quite as bad as having the water on it.
On-demand hot water, outside shower, water filtration system. And what is behind here?
It's a hidden storage area.
Dare we?
I wouldn't.
It's got a handle.
Oh, there it is.
Whoa! Look. The storage in here is insane. Look at this.
Wow. Wasn't expecting that.
Behind the television. That's nuts. That is insane. For a small camper.
Okay. But there's that nice little hook, right? How long do you think before that
Pulls
pops
it-
off? That
pulls
pops
out.
off when you're going down the road and the door opens.
Right? It would pull out more from here, I would think, than
Well,
from
just
here.
from bouncing.
Yeah.
That's what I'm worried about. Huh.
This is like, so far from this show, this is a number one on my list. I would have to say. $26,995. The 2024 Forest River Campsite Reserve 23cc.